Hi, loves. It's Lacey, and welcome to our space. So, I wanted to jump on here quickly and say thank you. Thank you so much to the creator behind the YouTube channel, Yoduvh Essentials. It is a huge channel with 2.3 million subscribers on it. And because of that, she wanted to give back to the YouTube community, the crafting community, with a contest called the DIY Crafters Contest. And she allowed myself and 5 other contestants to compete in this contest to share some of our best and favorite DIYs we ever did. We are all small creators under 100,000 subscribers on our channel. So that alone, for her allowing us to share our DIYs on her channel over the course of 6 days for free, was a win in my opinion. But there was also a cash prize, and I won that. It was $500, and I am so grateful for winning this contest. I'm going to take that money and sink it back into my channel to get it back up on its feet and to bring you guys more amazing DIYs. So I am going to be linking Yoduvh Essentials channel down in the description down below. Please go over, subscribe to her. She's amazing, and check her out. You can also still watch the videos, so the voting is closed on the contest. And I'm also going to link the channels of the other contestants down below as well. And then I will do a big video on my channel about my whole experience and share with you the DIYs that I submitted in the contest. So that is it for this video, and I will catch all of you in my next one. Bye, loves.